Hallo daar, welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series, the perfect beginner's course to learn Afrikaans. Last time we did in die badkamer, in the bathroom. Should you want private one-on-one lessons, worksheets or more, please visit our Patreon or follow the link below. Do subscribe if you enjoy our series. Les 39, telwoorde, counting. This video is part of our grammar series. Telwoorde is an Afrikaans grammatical term, and as a result we lack a proper English translation. But counting gets close enough. We'll see. Telwoorde describes how numbers can be arranged in Afrikaans. There are two types of telwoorde: hooftelwoorde and rangtelwoorde. Hooftelwoorde indicate an amount. Hooftelwoorde can further be divided into bepaalde of onbepaald. Bepaalde hooftelwoorde give the exact amount. Presies hoeveel. For example, daar is 5 appels, daar is 5 appels. Of, daar is 4 lemoene, daar is 4 lemoene. On the other hand, onbepaalde hooftelwoorde give an indefinite amount. Nie presies hoeveel nie. For example, daar is baie appels, daar is baie appels. Of, daar is min lemoene, daar is min lemoene. Rangtelwoorde indicate a place or position. Rangtelwoorde are also divided into bepaald of onbepaald. Bepaalde rangtelwoorde give a definite position, presiese volgorde of plek. For example, hy is die tweede kind, hy is die tweede kind. Neem die eerste links, neem die eerste links. In contrast, onbepaalde rangtelwoorde give an indefinite position, nie die presiese volgorde of plek nie. For example, hy is die middelste een in die groep, hy is die middelste een in die groep. Dit is die soveelste keer dat hy wen, dit is die soveelste keer dat hy wen. You might think that middelste is bepaald, but be careful, as it is not specific enough to be considered bepaald. One more thing is important to note about rangtelwoorde is that they always end on de or ste. Here's a tip to find whether you are using the hooftelwoord of rangtelwoord. For hooftelwoorde you can ask hoeveel, and for rangtelwoorde you can ask hoeveelste. Lastly, you might have noticed that units in Afrikaans are sometimes written in singular form and other times in plural. How can we know which is when? Simple. For bepaalde numbers you use singular, enkelvoud, and for onbepaalde numbers you use plural, meervoud. For example, ons ry 30 kilometer. Ons ry 30 kilometer. 30 is bepaald. Therefore, kilometer is singular. Enkelvoud. Otherwise, ons moet nog baie kilometers ry. Ons moet nog baie kilometers ry. Baie is onbepaald. Therefore, kilometers is plural. Next week, werksonderhoud, job interview in Afrikaans. Should you want private one-on-one lessons, worksheets or more, please visit our Patreon or follow the link below. Do watch this video again to study effectively. Baie dankie. Sharing, liking and subscribing will help our channel a lot. Comment any questions below. Bye.